Hi guys, welcome back to another Belgy Animated video. Today, we are going to be talking about which one is better, dogs or cats. In my opinion, dogs are way much better. Actually, I like cats better. They just lay around, you don't gotta take care of them. That is not true at all. Dogs are way much better. In fact, hey cat, scratch Ted. My cat is gonna scratch good. Stop! Stop! I'm sorry. I'm not really sorry. How could you be so stupid? Okay, maybe cats are better, but nah. Cats, no. Dogs are the goat. I'm still team dog. But which one is cats or dogs? I don't know. Half the world thinks cats are better. Half the world, including me, think dogs are better. But personally, me, of all time, will never like cats. It will always be dogs. Anyway, bye guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video, my gang. Bye. Put your answer in the comments, dogs or cats. See you in the next video, and if you got any video ideas, put them in the comments.